It looks so different.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello and a warm welcome to another short video. This is just the last update on my Jaguar XKR rust repairs. The summer of 2022, the car has been with a body repair specialist, and it's had a lot of rust work done that can be seen on other videos. So the car is still outside at the moment, but the preparations are well ongoing, and hopefully very soon the car will be back on the road ready to be hibernated for winter. So join me in having a look around the car and have a listen to what Carl has to say about the preparations he's done and the work that still remains. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and if you do, please consider subscribing. Certainly like the video, and comments are always welcome.
Obviously, when it's in the body shop, it'll be much better environment.
It looks so different.
Yeah, yeah.
You wouldn't know an aerial was there, would you?
No, I mean, you feel that. It's not.
That's good.
Feel that, John. It's going to be prepped again and then primed again.
Yeah.
So it's, it will be.
That'll take the roughness out and all that, won't it? Yeah. You didn't get rid of the rust on the disc then?
So the plan is, obviously, I'm working around the bloody weather. I mean, today they said it's going to be fine, so I've been in and out. So I've had this uncovered a couple of times.
Yeah.
What I need to do is just get this undersealed.
Yeah.
I don't want to break into it until I've got a really good day when there's no rain, and then I'm going to epoxy primer it and then seal over the top, epoxy prime again, underseal it, and then it can go to the body shop. But,
so you got rid of the little defects on the door that I couldn't see.
Yeah, feel that. That's, and obviously when you well, I'll show you in a minute on the bumper. So.
Oh, that looks good. That looks really good.
Same with the side.
It's just those little touches that can make it look slightly different to others that are on the road, which I like the idea of.
Yeah, there was a small dent there, which I found. But
yeah. So I knew of one. I think there was one somewhere here and something similar on the other side.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I felt it was pretty good anyway.
Yeah. Especially
Especially for the age. But your eye was way better than mine.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, when bodyworks, we always look down the side. You see.
Yes.
And it just shows everything. So.
Yeah. Even when you'd marked them out last time, I could only see some of them. The other ones. So your eye's more trained than mine, isn't it?
Around here.
Yeah.
There was a few little bubbles, which is tell sign of rust. You see.
Okay.
So I feathered it back.
Yeah.
And. It had been repaired and it had started to lift.
Okay.
So I feathered all that back.
Yeah.
And rust treated it.
Yeah.
Re-skimmed it and then put epoxy.
So that should be fine now then.
This epoxy, it's just like a really bonds. It's a real good sealer.
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it down, epoxy it again, and then give it a light scuff, and then put some 2K primer on.
It's progressed a huge amount since I was here a few weeks back.
It's starting to look tidy now.
Yeah.
And the that looks nice there. Where I've welded that flange on there.
Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't know, would you?
No.
Especially once it's painted afterwards.
Yeah, once it's painted. That's the other thing. I need the colour code.
I think the plate's just here.
Yeah.
And one of them's got the colour code on it.
Yeah, no problem.
The only thing I was thinking of, and I don't know whether this will be a good idea or not, rather than having it as a metallic, have it as a pearl.
Yeah.
But I don't know whether that would work. Again, it was just a case of keeping the same colour, but it would then look different to all the others on the road.
Yeah.
Realistic.
And it's pointless rushing it now at this stage because I've spent so much time
100% agree.
And re-prepping it, and so it'd be absolutely beautiful when it's done. It'd be absolutely arrow straight.
Yeah.
And you know, you won't be able to tell any of the repairs have been done.
To be honest, you can't tell the repairs have been done now.
No.
It's phenomenal. I wish I had the skill to do it. I know you say it's only practice and maybe someone needs to show you some of it, but
I'll show you the rear bumper as well.
Yeah. As you said, this place is a bit like an Aladdin's cave, and I love that sort of thing. So these are the side skirts.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, just a few little dings and parking scrapes and things, you know. That's a delete on the back there.
Yeah.
But I'll just show you look this side. As you can see the black, which is on the other panels as well.
Yeah.
You see, as you start blocking, it just shows everything you see. But this has been rolled, whereas the other's been sprayed.
Yeah.
And we roll it on first just to get the initial, you know, the base layer on, and then block it, and then spray the next layers on.
Okay.
With epoxy, and as I say, epoxy is like a really good sealer. Yeah, I've marked the 1 and 2, you know, all left and right, just so they're relate to which side they come out of anyway.
Okay.
Not that that's too generic anyway.
I think they're generic, yeah. But yeah, so there's 3 spare sensors in there. Yeah. And then 4 sensors that I might put on the front. So if I can just have them sprayed the same colour,
yeah, no problem.
Job done.
Yeah.
And I'll change. I think it's that one that's bad. I'll change that when I get it back.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, they're out anyway, so I don't know if you can get them tested individually. I don't know, but
I think
they're marked up anyway.
OBD2. I think it told me it was that one.
The other thing is, if you look inside as well, I've sealed. I mean, you probably saw that. And that's just stop any moisture getting from behind and lifting the fiberglass from the other side.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do, when it's all done, and you take me for a drive in it.
Oh yes.
Because it would be nice to go for a drive in it once it's done as well. So.
Definitely, I would absolutely put it down. But yeah, you'll definitely get a ride out in it.
Yeah, lovely.
Both you and I can have a smile on our faces.
Yeah. I think that's something in the paint rather than
it looks
rust,
like
because it's plastic, you see, so you won't have
it can't be rust, can it?
Yeah. And the other thing is, I was going to plastic fillet weld these, but this is PUR, polyurethane resin, and you can't plastic weld it yourself.
Oh, can you not? Okay.
No. But what I've done is just as good anyway. So.
Yeah, I do. I know other people have done it successfully.
Yeah, I mean, you could actually you could flex that, and it's just not going to crack. Do you know what I mean?
It's good enough.
It's solid. So.